Okay, see here in this example, see here in the exercise number 1, find the rules which gives the number of mathematics sorry find the rule which gives the number of matchsticks are required to make the following patterns. Here first one is a pattern of letter H. To make a letter H, how many matchsticks we required? We required 3 matchsticks. Am I right? 3 matchsticks. 1, 2, and 3. 3 matchsticks we required. Suppose if anyone asks, I need 10 H patterns. So can you tell me how many matchsticks are required to make a 10 H patterns? Yes, I need 22. I need 22 H patterns. So how many matchsticks we required? We required 66. So in this question, to solve this puzzle, we are using one formula. But knowingly or unknowingly, we are using one formula that for one pattern, we are using 3 matchsticks. For one pattern, we are using 3 matchsticks. We are using a formula 3n. Here n is nothing but number of patterns. Number of patterns. Suppose if anyone asks you how many matchsticks are required to make 12 H patterns. So by using this formula you can identify. This formula is 3n. No? In the place of n, substitute 12. 3n is nothing but 3 into n. 3 into n. 3n is nothing but 3 into n. N means number of patterns. Someone is asking 12 patterns. So substitute the 12 in the place of n. 3 into 12, how much? 36 matchsticks. 36 matchsticks we required to make how many patterns? 12 H patterns. Similarly, for a pattern of letter V, in the pattern, second one, in the pattern, to make a pattern V, how many matchsticks we required? We required 2 matchsticks. One is like this and one more. We arrange the matchstick like this. So it can make V pattern. So how many we required? 2 matchsticks. And if someone asks, I need 10 V patterns. So can you say how many matchsticks are required to make 10 patterns? 20. Yes. How you are saying that? You are using 2n formula. Yes, 2n. N is nothing but number of patterns. Am I right? And in the place of n, you are substituting 10. 2n is nothing but 2 into n. 2 into 10. 10 patterns we required. So we are substituting 10 in the place of n. So 2 into 10, how much? 20. 20 matchsticks. 20 matchsticks are required to make 10 patterns. Okay, now? Then, if you move on to the next question, the question is, so by using this formula, you can by using this formula you can tell you can determine for n number of patterns. You can find out the solution. You can find out the solution for n number of patterns, whatever the value of n may be. If you substitute the n value in the place here, so you can get the answer. Suppose if someone asks, I need 100 patterns, 100 V patterns. So how many matchsticks we required? We required 200 matchsticks. Yes, just once again we'll go through the definition. See, it is a branch of mathematics which deals with letters to represent a number. See here, we are using a letter, one alphabet we are using in the formula. By using this formula to represent a number, see, this n is representing some number. If someone is asking here, someone asked to find out for 12 patterns. So to represent a 12, here we are using a letter n. So in the place of n we are substituting 12. 3 into 12 is nothing but 36. So 36 matchsticks are required to make 12 H patterns. 12 H patterns. And similarly, here it is V. Here it is V pattern. To make a V pattern, here we are using the formula 2n. And n equal to number of patterns, 2 into 10, 20, that equal to 20 matchsticks we require to make a 10 V patterns. 10 V patterns. This is how it is useful in finding the fuzzy. This is how this algebra. See, you are using an alphabet. The use of letters to represent a number. The use of letters to represent a number is called algebra. It's called algebra. Here we are saying one more question. Given below is a pattern made from colored tiles and white tiles. If you observe this first figure number 1, if you observe this first figure, this shaded boxes is nothing but colored tiles, and this middle portion, white color portion, is nothing but white tiles. So here in this figure, how many colored tiles you can observe? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colored tiles are there. In between this 4, 1 white color tiles are there. So here, if you observe the second figure number 2, how many matchsticks are how many colored tiles are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colored tiles and 1 white tile. Similarly, in the figure number 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 colored tiles are there, and one in the middle, 1 white tile is there. Suppose if someone asks you to draw the fourth figure, can you able to draw? Yes. If you observe this, here one step is there. One step. For second figure, 2 steps. And third figure, 3 steps. In fourth figure, you will get 4 steps from the middle box. In that way, you can draw the next figure. See, here the question: fill the table given below and express the pattern in the form of an algebraic expression. The figure number 1, they are asking number of colored tiles. In the figure number 1, how many colored tiles are there here? Here there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 colored tiles are there. So the answer is 4. And similarly, in the second figure, how many colored tiles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 colored tiles are there. Similarly, in the third figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 colored tiles are there. They are asking to find out the fourth figure. In the fourth figure, how many colored tiles are there? So no need to draw the figure. Without drawing the figure, we can identify number of colored tiles. How? By using the formula. By using the formula 4n. The second one, the second question, second one, number of colored tiles, number of colored tiles equal to, we are using 4n formula. Here n is nothing but n equal to number of figure number, or number of figure or figure number. N is nothing but figure number. If someone asks you to find number of colored tiles for 12th figure, so here no need to draw all the 12 figures. By using this formula, you can identify number of colored tiles in the 12th figure. So n is nothing but figure number, 12th figure he is asking. So in the place of, in this formula, in the place of n, substitute 12. 4n is nothing but 4 into 12. 4 into n. 4 into 12. 4 12s are how much? 4 12s are 48 colored tiles are there. Colored tiles. 48 colored tiles are there in this, in the 12th figure. In the 12th figure. And 48 colored tiles are there in the 12th figure. So can you find out the number of colored tiles in the, yes, this is how this algebra is helpful in finding the, some kind of puzzles, this kind of puzzles, and to determine the unknowns. And let us revise the definition once again. It is a branch of mathematics which deals with letters to represent a number, which is used to solve a puzzle or to determine the unknowns, Okay. And here one more question. Here it is. One more question is there. Fill the table given below and express the pattern in the form of an algebraic expression. Figure number 1. In the figure number 1, here they are asking number of total tiles. Total tiles. See in the figure. Figure number 1. Total. They are asking all the colored tiles and including the white tile. Total tiles, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and the middle one is 5. Total 5 tiles are there. In this 5 tiles, see number of, in the figure number 1, 5 tiles are there. In the figure number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tiles are there. 9 tiles are there. Can you able to create a formula for this finding the total number of tiles? Yes, the formula is, can you able to create a formula to find out the number of total tiles? Yes, the formula is here. For the second one, to find out the number of total tiles, the formula is 4n plus 1. Let us check whether this formula is correct or not. Let us verify this formula is correct or not. Suppose in the place of n, if I substitute 1, for figure number 1, so that means in the place of n, if I substitute 1, let us see it is matching with the figure or not. 4 into 1, 4, plus 1, total how much? 5. How many are there here? 5. Yes, correct. In the figure number 2, and 4 in the place of n, 4n plus 1, same formula I am using. In the place of n, I am substituting 2. 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 into 2 plus 1. 4 2s are how much? 8 plus 1, how much? 9. So count this in the figure number to count the number of total tiles. This colored tiles are 8 and one is white tile, total 9 tiles. Yes, it is matching. And similarly with the third figure, let us check with third figure. 4 into 3 plus 1, that is now 4 3 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 total number of tiles are there. Yes, so that we can consider this formula is used to find out the number of total tiles. So if someone asks you to find out the number of total tiles in 30th figure, 30th figure, so you can, by using this formula, you can easily find out number of colored tiles in total colored tiles in 30th figure. 4 into 30 plus 1, 4 3s are 120 plus 1. 4 into 30, how much? 120. 4 3s are 12, and keep a 0 beside that. 120 plus 1, 121 total tiles required. In the 30th pattern.